What's up, guys? Welcome back to drawing. Today I've got a special request or suggestion. Yeah, I'm doing those now, so there it is at the bottom of the screen. It's a dog this time, so we're gonna draw a dog. So we're gonna start off with the back, alright? You kinda go up, yeah. And then I wasn't, yeah, okay. You kinda messed it up, and then it's going alright, perfect. And it's gone down, and it's got its foot. It looks like that. Get that, and then it kind of does this weird thing. Yeah, sweet. Yeah, and then you get the tail, which goes like that. And then it goes back. You give it this weird ear thing going on, which is just it's its eye now. Alright, well, thank you very much for watching. This is my first request video. Please leave a request if you want more, and I'll make more.